Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be comparing Spectrum Internet and AT&T Fiber in 2026. So if you are trying to decide between the cable, internet and fiber, this comparison will help you make that choice. So first of all, let's just understand how these services actually work. So Spectrum delivers the internet mainly through the cable connections. This is going to give you the fast download speeds and good performance for most of the homes. AT&T Fiber uses the fiber optic cables all the way to your house, giving very fast download and the upload speeds with excellence consistency. If we talk about the main differences, so Spectrum's cable plans can hit very high download speeds, often up to 1 Gbps or more. That's great for streaming, browsing and gaming. But its cable, the upload speeds are usually much lower than their download speeds. So with AT&T Fiber, you often get the symmetrical speeds, meaning the downloads and the uploads are equally fast. This is a big advantage for the video calls, for the cloud backups and remote work. If we talk about the latency, so fiber generally has lower latency, making AT&T Fiber better for competitive gaming and the real-time applications. Spectrum does well too, but fiber's signal path is simply faster and more responsive. If we compare it based on consistency and congestion, so fiber holds up very well even during the peak hours because the network is designed for high capacity. Cable can slow down a bit in the busy times, especially in the dense neighborhoods. So Spectrum's network is widely available across many cities and suburbs. You can get it in the places where fiber hasn't reached yet. AT&T Fiber's availability is growing, but it is still not everywhere. If fiber is available where you live, that's a major plus. If I compare both of these based on the pricing, so Spectrum's pricing tends to be competitive and comes with no data cap. Promotions can be attractive, but bills sometimes rise after the first year. AT&T Fiber pricing is often higher, but the performance that you get in this pricing, especially with the upload speeds, you can make it worth the cost for many users. So you can go with AT&T Fiber if you want fast symmetrical speeds, low latency and future-proof performance. Spectrum on the other hand is better if you want wide availability, strong download speeds and solid value where fiber isn't an option. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.